Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the 5 best free warfare games on iPhone and Android. Warfare games bring intense action, strategic battles, and immersive combat experiences right to your smartphone. Whether you enjoy large-scale military conflicts, fast-paced shooting, or tactical strategy, there are plenty of free games to dive into. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would like to take your attention to Call of Duty Mobile. When it comes to mobile warfare games, Call of Duty Mobile stands at the top. Developed by Activision, this game delivers console-quality graphics, smooth gameplay, and multiple modes to keep players engaged. In this exciting game, you can jump into traditional 5 versus 5 multiplayer matches with fan-favorite maps like Nuketown or Crash or Battle It Out in a 100-player Battle Royale mode. The game features a deep progression system, allowing you to unlock and customize weapons, operators, and perks. Frequent seasonal updates bring new content, including limited-time game modes, weapons, and collaborations with iconic Call of Duty franchises. So, if you love first-person shooters with intense action, this game is a must-play. And now, I would like to talk about War Robots. If you love futuristic warfare, War Robots offers high-stakes combat with giant mechs battling for dominance. This online multiplayer game lets you control powerful war machines. It's equipped with fully customizable weapons such as plasma guns, missile launchers, and energy cells. Battles take place in real-time 6 versus 6 matches where teamwork and strategy play a crucial role. What's more, the game has over 50 different robot models, each with unique abilities, allowing players to adapt their playstyle based on the battlefield. Whether you prefer heavy tanks that can absorb damage or agile robots that rely on speed and stealth, War Robots provides an engaging experience with frequent updates introducing new robots, weapons, and battle modes. Next up, I would like to take your attention to World of Tanks Bleed. For those who prefer armored warfare, World of Tanks Bleed is a thrilling online tank battle game featuring 7 vs 7 combat. Players can command over 400 tanks from different countries, including legendary World War II vehicles from the US, Germany, Soviet Union, and more. What's more, each tank had unique characteristics, including firepower, armor, and mobility, which players must use strategically to outmaneuver opponents. The game features multiple battle maps with destructible environments, realistic physics, and tactical positioning to create immersive tank warfare. Whether you enjoy sniping from a distance with tank destroyers or leading the charge with heavy tanks, World of Tanks Bleed offers an addictive, skill-based combat experience. And now is the right time to talk about the Shadowgun Legends. Blending warfare with sci-fi, Shadowgun Legends offers a mix of fast-paced shooting and RPG elements. Set in a futuristic world threatened by alien invasions, players take on the role of elite mercenaries called Shadowguns. The game features a gripping story-driven campaign with over 200 missions spanning different planets, cooperative dungeons where you can team up with friends, and competitive player versus player arenas. What's more, Shadowgun Legends also boasts one of the most extensive customization systems in mobile FPS games, allowing players to personalize their characters with hundreds of weapons, armor sets, and cosmetic items. The fluid touch controls, console-quality graphics, and engaging multiplayer options make it one of the best sci-fi shooters available. And finally, I would like to take your attention to PUBG Mobile or PUBG Mobile Lite. No list of warfare games is complete without PUBG Mobile, the game that popularized the battle royale genre on mobile. Dropping 100 players onto a vast map, the game challenges you to scavenge for weapons, gear, and vehicles while surviving an ever-shrinking battlefield. On top of all, it features realistic ballistics, dynamic weather, and a variety of maps, including Miramar, Sandhawk, and more, each offering different terrain and strategies. Players can choose between solo, duo, or squad-based gameplay, making teamwork an essential part of survival. For those with lower-end devices, PUBG Mobile Lite offers a streamlined experience optimized for performance, featuring smaller 60-player matches with the same intense battle royale action. With constant updates, seasonal events, and new content, PUBG Mobile remains one of the most exciting warfare games on mobile, and that's about it. These 5 free warfare games offer a variety of combat experiences, from tactical maze battles to fast-paced first-person shooters and large-scale battle royale matches. So whether you prefer modern military engagements, futuristic robot wars, or intense tank battles, there is something for every warfare enthusiast. Now download these games today and test your skills on the battlefield, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool gaming recommendations. Take care, have a great time, bye bye.